Sustainable investing is a long-term investment strategy which seeks to integrate environmental, social, and governance considerations into its process. It seeks to invest in companies with strong sustainability credentials and which look after all of its stakeholders. It isn't just an investment strategy, though, it's also a way to have a positive impact on the world. Over the last decade, sustainability has become increasingly important, and now more than $30 trillion of assets are invested globally in a sustainable manner. Clients all across the world are telling us that our approach to ESG is a key component of how they select their managers and how they will allocate their assets. Our approach at Fidelity is simple. We seek to integrate environmental, social, and governance considerations in the way we invest. This will ultimately change the way we research companies, meet and engage with management teams, and construct portfolios and solutions for our clients. We will implement this with three related elements. Firstly, integrated ESG analysis within our research platform. Secondly, engagement with investee companies and policymakers, and collaboration with other investors and civil society organizations. We want to position ourselves as leaders in this space. This year, we have published our first sustainability report and soon our first climate report, established a net zero carbon emission target for our business, joined platforms like Climate Action 100+, created task forces in key markets like Japan, and received an A+ rating from the UNPRI.